So I thought that I should make a tutorial for all of the graphic designers and editors that are struggling with this concept, that about all the publications and Adobe InDesign, Illustrator, Photoshop. I thought to help all of you guys and make the life simpler. Welcome to my channel. So today's tutorial is all about Adobe InDesign, and what we will be doing in this tutorial is importing all the data from Microsoft Word into Adobe InDesign. Okay, a lot of you might be thinking that I will be like, okay, yeah, there's a lot of data in Microsoft Word. Let's copy and paste, finish, simple. But it's not just that. Because to be professional, you have to think professionally. When you are practicing on some skills and you want to be expert in that skill, you have to work on that expertise on a professional level. So let me tell you that this video is not about copy and paste concept. It's about importing all the data from MS Word into Adobe InDesign. I want you all guys to subscribe to my channel because this channel is all dedicated to arts and design. I love making Photoshop tutorials, Illustrator tutorials, designing tutorials, After Effects, Premiere Pro. So please stick to my channel, and I would like you guys to watch this video till the end, because I will be pointing out some mistakes that many people do while designing this kind of project. And if you have any confusion and feedback, please do let me know in the comments. I will try to help you out as best as possible. Thank you. So here is my screen, and I have made a research tutorial on graphic design. This MS Word file is all about research work on graphic design. And I took some articles from internet, from different websites, and I made this document file. And some of the information in this file has been translated into Latin so that I do not catch any copyright. And I want you guys to download this MS Word file, which the link is provided in the description. Please do download, and let's practice all this together. So on my screen, you can see all my recent files in Adobe InDesign. So I will be creating a new project that I will be working on. Let's create new. So there are a lot of options around here to create this new project. What I want from a project is an A4 page project. Usually A4 size is 8.5 times 11 inches. It may vary from different persons, but I will be going for this size for now. So let's name this document MS Word Data Management. If you guys want to learn about these parameters, width, units, height, orientation, pages, facing pages, there's a separate tutorial for this parameter, and the link is provided in the description itself. You can also see the card that has just appeared at the top of this video. If you are interested, please check that out and come back to this video. For now, I'm going to keep all the aspects as it is. I'm not going to change any margins. I'm not going to change any bleed and slug. But for now, I will be getting 0.5 inch margins. Let's create it. So you can see in my screen, there's an A4 size page with these pink color margins, which indicates that the edges of these margins are 0.5 inch away from the edges of the pages. So I created only one page. If you guys want to know how to change the size of the margins from 0.5 to 1 inch to any size, the link is provided in the description itself. Also at the top of this video, the card has disappeared. Click that, check it out. So this is the Word document file, graphic design research. It consists of all the data about what are the principles of graphic design, the principal elements of graphic designs, So here we have all this data. We have images, figures, but this MS Word file is not formatted. We are going to format all this data in Adobe InDesign. But before that, I want you guys to know that I'm not going to use copy and paste, but I will let you know the difference. To select the data or all the text in the MS Word, we have to use the shortcut Control A. Control A. So when we press Control A, everything is selected from images to text, from top to bottom of the document. It's all selected. So you might be thinking I should copy and paste. Okay, for you, I'm going to copy it. Right click it, copy. You can also use the shortcut key Control C. So let's go to the Adobe InDesign, and what is the shortcut key for paste? It is Control V. So Control V. Now we can see the text has appeared on the center of this page, so we can adjust the size of this text according to the margins. And here we go. We have all this data, copy and paste it. Although you can choose this method, but what I do to save time. So go to File, go to Place. Now it says the file graphic design research .docx is already in use by another application, which you know I have already opened this document, so it cannot open in Adobe InDesign until and unless I close this document. So let's close this document. Now the data is importing. Now can you see this cursor? There is a text that is associated with this cursor right now, and if I click this margin right at the corner of the margin, when I click over there, you will see all this data has been covered inside the margin without using any copy-paste concept. So what you see over here is just one page. Where is all of the data? In Microsoft Word we have lot of data. Where is that? I will let you know. When you zoom in right here, there is a red color box with the plus sign. This is an expansion sign. You can expand this data into the next page. All you have to do is create a new page and expand the data. Let me show you. Go to Layout, Pages, Insert. I would not suggest to use 8 pages because there is a difference between 8 pages and insert pages. Add page is just a single page. You are adding just a single page, but in insert pages you can add multiple pages to the project. So right now I need like 4-5 pages, not just one page. So I'm use insert pages. We have the option pages, after page, master. If you want to learn the parameters about why is the master over here, there is a separate tutorial on that. Card has just appeared at the top of this video. You can click that to learn the master concept, insert pages. For right now, I need to have, let's make 6 pages. So I'm going to type 6. Insert should be after page. After page is like I should be adding before the page, before this current page or after this current page. So I'm going to say after the page. So we have these 6 pages right now. We can expand this data to all these pages. Click right over here, then click at the corner of this margin. Click right over here, click at the corner of this margin. We are out of pages, we need more pages. So let's go for 6 more pages. So this is how you import the data into the Adobe InDesign instead of using copy and paste concept. I will format all this data in Adobe InDesign. I will make table of contents. I will be making all those things in the next video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.